Howdy campers, welcome back. Today we've got another product review. Yay, product reviews, yay! Today it's a Luci Light. This is like the best camping thing we bought, besides my the Muckamore hammock and my Tinta hammock stand and my sleeping bag and my air mattress and my anyway, no, seriously, we've got lanterns and flashlights and lights, and this is completely solar. They're a little pricey, but they're worth it. I do motorcycle camping a lot. This doesn't take up any space in the saddlebags. When we're car camping together, still doesn't take any room, and it does a good job. So there's your LED lights, and what you do, my lovely assistant is much better at this than I am, and you see you got hooks on either end. But you squeeze this to pull it out. There we go. I don't know why I have so much trouble, and she makes it look easy, like I'm a fool. Pity the fool. Anyway, and squeeze. And you don't need to do this part. You can just do this part. Get the air in there. Look at that. Hold on. Haha. Shh. There's a dog wanting me to throw a ball. It's hard to squeeze and blow. Shut up. Like I said, she makes it look easy. Aha! Sorry. Bad manners. We have company. Okay. Doing terribly there. So, push this in, and she does this part, and I have trouble. But this pops right in, and so it sits flat on a table. Sits flat on a table. Uh-oh. Where'd you go? Sits flat on a table. Okay. Back to you and me now. Now that adventure's over with. There's two buttons. One shows you how much battery. And there's little LED lights that show you. So it's got a full battery, and there's an on-off switch, which you can't see right now, but we're gonna, oh, you can see. That's on bright, flashing. So low, bright, flashing. Ooh, I stuck a little Night Eyes S-binder, carabiner, so it's easier to hang off of my hammock thingy. But the top thing actually unsnaps and snaps, so you can hang it that way. It's just this is so much quicker and easier. Maybe I'll do a review on Night Eyes stuff at some future junction. Hi. Okay, now you want to see what it's like in the dark? You're so picky. Fine. Okay, is this dark enough for you? I hope so. You're so picky. Low, high, and the silly blinking. But that's on low. It will last you like all night, pretty much. And I think it takes 7 hours to completely recharge. Or maybe it lasts 7 hours. That's right. And yeah, see the errors because I didn't do it right. But when you do it right, like my lovely assistant does, it fills up, and you've got this thing that sits on a table. You can even turn it this way if the light's bright, shining up like. Ooh, ooh. Okay, enough tomfoolery. And then you just squeeze and squeeze. Mama's got a squeeze box. Daddy don't sleep at night. I don't have it up all the way. Look at that. And you don't even need to, you can see that. But having it blown up increases your light thingy and your lumens. There's the battery thingy, battery check. And super thumbs up if you haven't tried one. They do have one, it's kind of pricey that you can even charge your phone with. But we got chargers for that. But give it a shot. You can hang it off your backpack if you're hiking, and it's like an ounce or something. I don't know, a couple ounces. It's a good one. So that's it. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Have a great day. A great apocalypse. Bye!